vlog?
No, this is
Hello.
not vlog. This is just don't.
How not to vlog?
Yeah, what's, huh?
How not to vlog?
How not to vlog? Hi. Don't post it, it will go viral. The BA group. Naka-post siya. At least naka-kuhan. At least naka-ano ka. May kuhan ka ba ni trend ka? Ano kayo pag-ito dito? And then she became a BA, but now she vanished.
She vanished.
Vanishing island.
Now BI, not
BI.
Nicola.
He wanted to eat in the cafe.
Which cafe?
Oh, here.
Going to start BA consultant.
Ah, this is real lang. Ano siya sa likod? Ay, okay na siya.
Okay na, yung vlogger. Nga naman ako sa una, DJI, pero katong isa ka version, bakit 2? In fairness no, mas ganahan ko sa quality sa camera, ana. DJI kaysa sa GoPro. GoPro, nakakaroon.
Nakakorta na kasi.
World Trade of America.
Because I got training in parking every
Oh,
day.
that's very nice. Can you train me in parking?
My hair.
I think you have enough
Ay, the
training.
vlogger.
Oh, kanon ba sige kauna igigutom na si
Okay
Ken
naman
ba?
yung mga kuan, like mga any food. We don't do
We
have
even
it
also
here
eat.
right now.
Yeah. Why is so like
Banana, this is
chaos?
Spanish cold brew. Same I ordered.
To go round to, but I have assistant. And then they said to me that your assistant ba can we go out early?
Ah, ano siya balay? In Azuela Cove. Saan ni? Just no name lagi. Ah! Hey! Chef Alexander Sebastian. Raminico daw, Raminico.
naminig ko dito sa atbang.
BGC of Davao City. Kimessage mo sila? Yeah. Mords. Ay, dali pa ka ng Pilates, no? What is this? It is a spa? Ah, art shop. So, come here. Coffee bean. Then Pilates. There's a Pilates shop. Buy one, get one. Tomorrow na, guys. Today's 10. Yellow cab. Open din sila. Azuela Cove. Nagto. Tagalog nga, Bisaya. The message mo. Ramay Nico, next stop for the day. It's the third restaurant that we ever been. And second, Japanese restaurant from SM Lanang. Sa kuan robota, robata,
Ha?
sa pikas po.
Dari kita pinakalaga. Isa kang ice cream nila dari Mars. Ginakaon na sad mo. Ano? 1,000 eh.
Nag-crave ba yung sashimi no?
Ah, na-crave dahil siya. Wala dito sa Ingigan. Wala.
Spicy!
Ito ha, ramen.
Daka na kayo wasabi.
Oh.
So, nagipakami ako ng wasabi. Wasabi is to.
Ignorante ka. Ignorante kayo.
Wag siya nagsabi na.
Na wasabi yun. Thank you.
No.
Before I give him wasabi, nothing.
I was traumatized. Gusto na ko lang cut.
No, take the whole thing.
Duha kutsara yung gamito na tinidor.
The challenge.
Ay, kailangan na carrot. Is it prerequisite?
Pwede naman ko dili.
Pwede wala.
Ayaw lang, ayaw magkarot.
Carrot is to cut down the spice.
Oh, to cut down the spice. So ako eh.
Pagsaw-saw.
Spice girl eh.
Ang karos pa yung isaw-saw. Ang karos may nawasabi yan.
I think because
What's your, gonna say, what's your last
tissue
word?
here and give me tissue.
Tissue back then.
Let's well end this stomach.
I'll tell you why it's
This
spicy
is the
because
first
we mix
time
it.
I will eat bariles.
Go!
What's your last word?
First na carrot.
Karos ang dili wasabi. Wala na lang siya nakakawasabi. Tagwana, flat. Ano kasi yung balay nagkuhan.
Come on, let's eat because the ramen here is so delicious.
Nakatay naman siya. Dari og dadto.
Wala ko nakatry dito.
Lamit dadto dilan.
Can I taste your ramen?
Bye kayo ito ha pagaman.
You'll have to taste.